In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop auto backup of Google Photos. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up Google Photos. Now after you open your Google Photos, just tap on your icon right here on the top right, and after you do that, go to Google Photos settings. It's on the bottom. Tap on it and there you will see the backup option. Tap on backup and make sure that you've turned backup off. Now what happens is, when you turn on backup, when the backup is turned on, your photos and your Google account are synced. So whenever you click on your photo, it will automatically get backed up into your Google Photos. Now so just turn that off, and after you turn it off, it will stop auto backing up your Google Photos. So that is basically how you do it. That is how you can stop the auto backup of Google Photos. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.